So are you from around here or what?
Pardon me?
Do you live in the area?
Yeah, no, actually I live in Laguna.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
What about you?
Yeah, I live around here.
Cool.
Yeah, it's a nice area.
That's nice.
Yeah. Oh, your door's open.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. You just shut it. Oh, wait, here.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
Have you heard about Brazilian music? Because I was born in Brazil, so.
Oh, no. I never... Brazilian music?
Yeah.
There's just one song, it's like Você Me Apareceu.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can I show you some music, if you don't mind?
You want to play music?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah, I have Bluetooth. You can connect your phone?
Actually, my phone's not here, so.
Oh, how did you order the Uber ride?
Do you mind if I play a Brazilian music?
Yeah, I have Bluetooth. You want to just connect your phone?
No, I don't have my phone with me. Just my friend ordered the Uber for me. So.
You don't have your phone?
No, I don't.
How did you order the ride?
So my friend just ordered for me.
Okay.
I was my friend's house, so yeah, he lives here in
Oh, well, too bad, I guess. I'll listen when I get home to the song.
Man, what's the problem, man? I just want to play a music, all right. It's quick.
What?
It's quick, the music. I want to just play a Brazilian music.
Well, you don't have your phone.
So what matters? My friend just ordered the music. I just want to put the music and then give your phone back. I'm not gonna.
You want to use my phone to play music?
Yeah.
Dude, it's a new phone. I don't.
Man, that's fine.
You're gonna be like, you're not gonna mess it up, right?
Of course not, man. Why would you do that?
You better. You're gonna leave me a tip for this ride?
Of course, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you 5 stars.
Okay. I'm just making I'm just trying to be like, you can never trust everybody,
Don't worry. Just let me search my favorite music.
Yeah, sure.
Man, you're gonna love it, bro.
Okay. Let's listen. It's Brazilian?
Yeah, it is Brazilian. Yeah.
Okay, let's listen. You playing it?
No, just because the internet's not working. Maybe it's
Just push play.
No, it's just because the internet's not working. It's loading. So.
Okay.
1 second. I think when right there, maybe this second is gonna be back. Yeah. What do you think, man?
This is Brazilian music?
Yeah, it is, man. What do you think? Did you like it?
It's okay. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, that's my phone. That's my phone.